Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, I've been out the last 2 days in central Illinois and central Indiana talking to farmers, and the message I've been giving to them has been the possibility of lower 2014 corn and bean prices if the weather's okay. The message hasn't been received very well, but it is what it is, and so we'll be watching to see how the market kind of unfolds as we go through 2014. Still think producers should sell cash and buy a call to protect against dry weather. As far as the markets overnight, not much change. We're seeing the bean market unchanged, corn unchanged, wheat up a couple of cents. Export sales data yesterday gave the market a big bump, but from a global standpoint, we're starting to see Brazil load beans, and that's offering some resistance to their prices, and the spread between U.S. and Brazil is getting pretty cheap. We're not that far away from seeing prices that could allow actually Brazil beans to be imported into the United States. Good weekly corn export sales, but now we're losing some of our edge as far as this rally is concerned, as far as corn out of Ukraine and maybe a little corn out of Brazil, South America. So some of that export business might slow down. Here in the United States, snow moving across the Midwest, then cooler temperatures over the weekend, and then also snow mid-next week, and then colder temperatures after that. So the beat goes on as far as U.S. Midwest weather is concerned, and could cause some problems with logistics, and could also cause some problems with the livestock demand and feeding intensities and things of that nature. February outlook is more of the same. Cold temperatures across the Midwest. We could see above normal precip in the eastern half of the country, but below normal precip is still forecasted for California. As far as the outside markets is concerned, stocks are lower, the dollar's higher, energies are lower, still concerned about emerging markets, still concerned about slowing China growth, and not expected a lot of new soybean business as China goes into their Lunar New Year. As far as the outlook for the financial markets, still a little bit of concern about emerging markets and what that might do, and you're seeing a flight to quality as people rushing in to buy the dollar. Still some concern about European growth, and some of the unrest in Ukraine and Egypt also is helping the dollar. So as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and really super weekend.